I've got one question for you. Why do you think I like Siem Reap, Cambodia so much? No, don't put it down in the description below unless you want to in the comments below. But you know what? I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to show you. Let's do it. I sure am glad I got this camera. It sure looks nice in the dark. It's kind of dark and it's picking up really good. Wow. Yeah, we got all three of you. Okay. So she's in there making my yummy. Well, I'm not even going to begin to comment on that, but yeah, this is the prettiest I've seen the river. It's gorgeous. And it is an absolutely beautiful house. Definitely see myself living in there. Yeah, well, my name is Kelly. I am from United States. Yeah. Okay, now we are coming up to Clyde, the water buffalo. I guess that's the water buffalo. But he's very happy eating there. Oh, I didn't mean to scare you, buddy. All right, in a couple of months from here, this is going to be about 10 to 15 feet underwater. It's amazing how that lake does that. And here we have a whole bunch of food carts. It goes up the river about maybe a kilometer. It's just absolutely crazy. Here's my neighborhood. Yeah, look, these kids. I don't know what the 80 is. That's kind of 80ish with the highball thing there. But anyways, this is my neighborhood right outside of my apartment. Other than a motorbike or two, it's relatively mellow and quiet, and I really enjoy it. And here we're still in the city limits. However, you could still almost say that's pretty much like a large village or something. I don't know where the city stops and the village starts. I know that boat's seen better days, definitely. And this is only about a 5-minute walk from my apartment. That's where it all starts out. There's trouble. This is a great place to be. I love it. Hey, how you doing? Hello. I gotta go. Yeah, she looked like trouble. This is trouble too, because you're going to get wet walking around this during the new year. Yeah, please like and subscribe. That the title editor likes to. He doesn't do much. We take a lot for granted also, just trying to get a glass of ice. Oh my gosh. Whatever he is, he's a big bird. Holy shit, he's a loud one too. This here's Tom. It's a market. That's the road in and out. Imagine when it's busy. And another thing I've said before, I like about Cambodia, you can go to the market with your pajamas on, but don't wear your Ernie the elephants. Here's a party I was having. Not everybody showed up yet, but we were eating some good Cambodian food there. And this is why we like sitting up there on that patio. You just get some beautiful views, absolutely beautiful. Coming up soon, you'll be seeing a lot of spirit houses and shrines. I guess it's from, people who have unfortunately lost their lives. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh. It's one of my pastimes here too. No, not following little kids on bicycles. It's being out there in the villages and country.
Oh, no, please. No, please.
Yeah, just you never know. Sometimes you get these open fields. Sometimes it's rice paddies. Sometimes it's jungle. Sometimes it's house. You never know. It's so great. There, I'm getting a blessing and a bracelet. And believe it or not, this is a restaurant in the lily pads. Pretty neat. And I do have a question for you. What happens if you get wet in Cambodia? Well, you eventually dry out. Well, I just had a late lunch at, well, over there. I don't know. Not too long ago, this used to be just some rice paddies. You can tell by those squared off edges there. This is new here too. They've got some of the floating houses are up here now.
I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming